One time I went to the MAB Masjid, Muslim Association of Bolingbroke. We had a masjid open house. We invited the neighbors and the public officials and the firefighters and the police department, and the mayor also came up there. In the Q&A session in the masjid open house, the mayor raised his hand and he said, I and many people, we have misunderstanding about what Sharia is. Dr. Sabeel, can you tell us what Sharia is all about? So a masjid open house is so important for us to invite our fellow Americans, our neighbors. They may have misconceptions about Islam. They may have fear of the unknown. But once they come to the masjid, they can see the peaceful environment in the masjid. Muslims greeting each other with the greeting of Assalamu Alaikum. When they watch the Muslims pray, shoulder to shoulder, brotherhood, sisterhood, worshipping the Creator. A short lecture about Islam to the neighbors, they feel at ease. Now they appreciate that Islam is not a threat. Islam is a blessing for humanity. And before they leave, we give them a gift bag, gift of the Quran, gift of a book of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. An open house like this, my dear Muslims, it's very effective. If I have to label the top 10 effective ways of sharing Islam, open house would be number 1, masjid open house. But an open house, it costs us approximately $2,000. The planning that we do, the marketing that we do, the flyers that we send out through the postage, the food that we prepare for the people, and the gift bags that we give. Approximately $2,000 per one open house. A sincere request in the month of Ramadan, auspicious month, deeds are multiplied. Support and donate for at least one open house. This is one of the ways we can dispel Islamophobia and we can make a better society. And we can fulfill the obligation Allah has given to us. So please donate for the open house and may Allah accept it from all of us. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.